Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I'll be showing you how I'm making this vintage white gold diamond ring. I begin with alloying the gold. For this project I am using 14K nickel white gold alloy. I am pouring the molten metal down into square channel and begin rolling it in order to get flat metal bar. I am annealing the gold every few feet throughs, as nickel white gold tends to harden quite quickly. I am cutting the metal bar to desired length and file the edges flat so that they can meet flush. I am bending the ring with half-round pliers. Even though the piece of metal is quite thin, it requires a lot of force. I am coating the ring in flux and then solder it. By hitting the ring that has been put on a mandrel with a hammer, I make sure that the ring gets perfectly round. I am filing the ring to desired dimensions and clean up tool marks with sandpaper. Here you can see me spacing out room for the diamonds just to get rough idea where to place them, so they sit evenly. I am phrasing the spots where diamonds are going to sit. I am drilling through the bend, making sure that the holes are in line and spaced out evenly, both from the inside and the outside of the ring. I am thinning out the bottom of the ring to reduce its weight and give it a nice shape. I am phrasing out seats for the stones, also making little corrections to positions of the holes. With the help of a graver, I begin creating bright cut edges at both sides of the stone seats. I am placing the stones in their seats and start setting them in place with a beading tool. I am giving a vintage style finish to the edges of the ring by mill graining them. I am polishing the ring to the final polish. Here is the final effect. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.